3 Orlando Pirates North Limpopo FC. Le game lebafethu iphele kuma-penalty lapho khona sibone Orlando Pirates iloser against iLimpopo FC. Ade kuyigame interesting. Kakhulu. Ade kuyigame physical, yabo. Psychologically babona abadlali boRlando Pirates ukuthi ba-stressed. Yabo ba-stressed ngempela, bane-pressure yokuthi kumele bathathe i-team bayise kuma-group stages. Kumele benze i-team iwine namhlanje noma ikanjani. Nangeshwa-ke bafethu Orlando Pirates ayikwazanga ukuthi iwine ngoba iguqile kuma-penalties. So ngizokhuluma le game le, ama-positives nama-negatives ale game, indlela esidlale ngakhona. First and foremost ngizoqala nge-approach. Indlela esi-approach ngakhona le game le. Angazi ngempela bekwenze njani. Yabona ngiyaqala ukubona into nje since ngaye i-support Orlando Pirates. Bengiqala ngqa ukubona i-lineup ekanje. A very very important game okumele uthole khona amagoli. A very important game la okumele uthole khona amagoli. Indlela esiyi-approach ngakhona le game nayi lineup ikhishiwe. Kule lineup le akukho ishe strike esisodwa. He is not a winger, uMaswanganye. He is not a striker, Osuna Police. He is not a striker, he is not a winger. We are playing with 2 number 10s. Sidlala number 10 abawu-2. Angazi ubani oqhamuke nale idea le ukuthi azivele siqalise number 10 abawu-2 mase sithatha i-striker sethu sisibeke lapha up front. Not even a striker, i-winger lethu silibeke lapha up front. We need amagoli. Kule case le. But ke ucoach ubone kungcono ukuthi azini avele nje i-striker sethu esishisa ngempela esithathe iBafana yayisa ku-World Cup singabi khona namhlanje. Singabi nje khona even ebenchini. Sithathe umdlali owakwazi ukuthi aseze iBafana ukuthi iye ku-World Cup angabi khona nje kule lineup, angabi khona futhi ebenchini. Awuthi ngiyoqalisa i-winger as a striker. Okay. Hayi sangena ke gaming. Yabo sangena egaming sadlala. Sithi sidlala sibonile first half. First half ukuthi striker besidingakala. I-striker besidingakala kule game. Singenile striker second half. Senze njani? Sascore. We saw the striker getting a goal namhlanje second half. Why striker besingayiqala ngegame? That's a big question mark. Wena as umlandeli okumele uyibuze wena. Why singaqalanga striker? Why ufuna experimenta kwi game enkulu kanje? There is no time for experimentation. U-experimentelani kwi game enkulu kanje? Sikephi isidingo soku-experimenta la? Why ungawini game? Why ungafaka abadlali abazokuwinela igame? Why ungafaka abadlali abazogorela amagoli? Umuntu ozothi we were unlucky, mina ngim-understand. Ozothi we were unlucky, thina we were lucky to even get a goal on the dying minutes of the game. Credit to Osuna Police. For me, Osuna Police was my player of the match. Umchida, he played his heart out today. Credit to the boys, actually. Credit to the team. Abachida namhlanje badlalile. Yabo, enhle yonke team yeOrlando Pirates idlalile namhlanje. Bengekho umdlali obengadlalanga. Into engiyikhalelayo, why kungadlaliswanga abadlali abadlala ama position abo? That's the only critic engicritical namhlanje. But abajida namhlanje badlale ngempela. They were fighting. The team atedlala nayo, they were playing dirty, those guys. They were playing dirty. Even the guy obedayile khanda, I didn't like the guy. Even uRef, yabona nje uRef angazi ngempela lo ref ulandwephi. Ithimba lakhe nje lonke elase Nigeria. But to be honest, abajida badlalile namhlanje. Yabo badlalile abajida namhlanje, but i-approach, technical team, i-team, coach, kwenze njani? Why singekho striker phambili? You have uMabasa, who is a goal poacher. You have Umchida, mfethu odinga i-chance uthi ayibonakalise. Right now he is the face of defeat. He missed an important penalty. Yabo, ufakela intwana i-pressure ngenasidingo. Mfethu ufakela intwana. Yabona kuba alitholanga igoli namhlanje uMbuthuma. Yabo, kuba alitholanga igoli namhlanje uMbuthuma. I don't think uMbuthuma besawuthola ithuba kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo, it's a pity ukuthi uMchida uyishobile penalty. That was a good penalty. If he scored that penalty, that was going to be one of the best penalties ebese sayikora yabo ku game ade sidlala namhlanje. Siphumbule namhlanje, I didn't see a guy Yabo Sipho Mbuli, it looks like umchido bekhathele, angazi noma mhlawumbe akalalanga izolo. Yabo umchido bekhathele kwigame namhlanje. But ke overall abajida abadlalile le team athi idlala nayo obviously bizo defend. Enye into engifuna ukuyaletha coach, i-team athi siyodlala nayo biyo defend. Ubuwazi at the back of your head ukuthi we are going to play against a defensive team ezohlala at the back. They didn't even test us that much. But wena ubone kungcono ukuthi azini angingamqalisi umdlali ozodlala lapha phambili ozobe strike. Asazi kwenzakalani behind the scenes. Kunama decisions le athathwayo esingawa understand. But ke it's really hard to accept ukuthi siphumile ku Champions League. Yabo it's really hard to accept ukuthi siphumile, but ke angazi noma kuzobe isifundo in lesi. I don't think ucoach uzofunda kulesifundo lesi because it's not a good lesson mekuyisifundo lesi. Yabo ngeke kube good lesson. First leg you didn't play the player that was supposed to start. Second leg you did the same thing. Isifundo awuzasifundeni in lesi mekuyisifundo ke. Isifunda awuzasifundeni. Like I understand the fans are crying for the player, and the player when he gets the opportunity he delivers. I'm not saying we lost because there was no talent in Barca. No, Nemtajela today he scored a very beautiful goal. Today Nemtajela the first half. Yabo, I'm not saying ukuthi today we lost because Mbatha bengekho. All I'm saying is that not first half per se, but first leg, we were supposed to start with the best team. Not to undermine these guys. Right now, these guys, they are acting like they are one of the best teams. They are coming eskodini bezodelela Orlando Pirates eskodini. There are few teams enza lo msangano loyo. Indlela abadlala ngakhona, the way they were acting. That guy udengo red ekhanda. Lo amjida mfethu angazi noma angaqhuzuka la ekhona. Mathole nje injury. Lo amjida wethu. Ngathi nje mfethu wekhonta ayidlile. Buka lo mjida unjani. He was excited to injure one of our players. He was hyped up. Sivumele lento le uthi yenzeke Orlando Stadium. We allowed this to happen in the Orlando Stadium. Ngiyabona ngale game ngakhuluma uze kushona ilanga, but ke aseke isidingo sokukhuluma uze kushona ilanga ngale game. Aseke isidingo. Sesiphumile. Yabo we focus to the next one. We are playing against Imagis. Against Imagis, we will play like one of the best teams. to cover up this mess in the Champions League. We are not playing Champions League football because of I don't want to say a lot, but again, once and always we are playing next week. A very important game against Imagesi. Masizodlala neMamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns yabona ama mistakes esiwenzayo. Hamba odlala esonemtajela neSundowns uzobona. Kulaba ade befuna ukubona ikipa. Nasi iskipa ngisasiveze kwamanje, yabo, njalo sibona la. Ayibo asiveli Nkosi yami. But ke ngizoyishaya ivideo ngisigqokile kahle, yabo, kusasa khona ngiyakhona ngizobe ngisigqokile. Angifuni ukusho ukuthi ngiyapi because abantu abaningi ngiyabazi ke abantu. But ke ngangitshela ama comments mina idinga, ngangitshela ngibabonile abanye besho ukuthi hayi bayidinga. Yabo ngisazoba message nje ngibathinte, but ke ningitshela ama prices nina le ekipa kumele ngidayise ngazo. Ngizozwa ngani, yabo, kumele ngizwe ngani ukuthi kumele ngidayise